Woo! Look at the weather. It's almost as dark as night, and it's only 4:30 in the afternoon in the summer. There's lightning and thunder and all kinds of bad weather. All kinds of bad weather here. All kinds of bad weather we're having here. See that lightning? Oh my god. That's some bad lightning. Oh, I can't even see. Can't see nothing. Pretty bad. Hang on, let me turn on my oh man, you see anything? I can't see anything. I can't see nothing. Woo, baby. Oh. Okay, make a right here and hopefully not flooded where I'm going. It's you know, pretty bad out here. Another busted traffic light, as you can see, is just flashing red. And you know, all right, here we go. Oh my God, traffic. Oh no, the traffic is pretty bad. Oh no. Oh geez. Oh geez. Hardly moving. Yeah, well, I suspect the weather has a lot to do with it because it's pretty bad. Can't even see. Can't even see what's going on outside. It's just coming down in sheets of rain, water coming down. Okay, now we're in a tunnel, so it's a little bit of refuge from the rain. Traffic. Hopefully the rain will stop by the time I'm home. Here in BC, flooding can be a problem if it's really rainy. Coming down in sheets, baby.
WTOP News Time 4:48. Traffic and weather, Dave Dildine, go.
A broad swath of the metro area is getting pounded by heavy rain, especially the interstates in northern Virginia. It is at this point that you are best advised to avoid driving in low-lying stream valleys. I think it's fair to assume that Lawyers Road is probably covered with swift water east of Hunter Mill Road. Hunter Mill Road near Difficult Run, that's another place you're probably reconsidering. 66, we have no reports of any big mishaps, but the likelihood of at least some ponding on the outside edges of the highway.
That's Kennedy Center right up there. Kennedy Center, everybody. We got flash floods. Flash flood warning.
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational
Emergency
area
alert!
because of a local weather emergency.
The National Weather Service in Sterling has issued a flash flood warning for
Let up a little
all of
bit, not
Fairfax
too much,
County,
but a little
the
bit.
city of Fairfax, and the northwestern part of
Not too much
Falls
lightning
Church
now.
City. This is until
Earlier there
8
was a lot of
o'clock.
scary
We're showing
lightning.
Thunderstorms producing very heavy rain. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have already fallen.
It is pouring in Alexandria right now. That flash flood warning continues there. Reports of floods and flooded roads there. Independent Hill to around the Dale City area. We're seeing flash flooding in that region. The good news, the rain is starting to push off to the south here. But along 270, it is pouring the top end of the Beltway in between 270 and I-95 from around Wheaton to Beltsville. It is raining very hard. Getting some reports of wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour, and much of the district seeing severe weather along with some very heavy rainfall. So my best advice to you, if you're at your office right now, is just sit this out, let this go through, and let this weather calm down a little bit, because we're going to see significant amounts of ponding on area roadways. And I-66, for example, we're seeing flood warnings now, basically from Centerville all the way to the Beltway and into the Falls Church area as you come in towards the district on I-66. So a flood watch continues until 11 o'clock tonight. Several more hours of heavy rain and thunderstorms, sunstorms severe, and the rain will cause more flooding. Later tonight, showers storms will taper off after midnight. Lows low to mid-70s. Tomorrow early morning.
The next day.